My name is Leroy Begay. I'm the welding instructor here for the Welding Technology program at TSCT. As the student comes in, we tell them that it takes a lot of hard work, a lot of studying, a lot of theory information that requires their personal time to study each of the process, how the operation works. We do written exams and a lot of hands-on work as far as learning how to weld. It is exhausting. It takes a lot of work to maneuver, holding torches, adjusting your body out of position. It requires to be safety conscious because of the loud noises, the flying material, heavy metal being moved. I like to weld. I'm not a talker. I can show you how it's done if you need to know. I can show you how the various techniques that is used. Our emphasis is learning how to use oxy-fuel cutting, oxyacetylene welding and brazing, plasma cutting, shielded metal arc welding, which is considered stick, gas metal arc welding, which is MIG, gas tungsten arc welding, which is TIG, and flux core arc welding, and also submerged arc welding. These are the processes that are commonly used out in the field. Besides all that, we also talk about the process, the fundamentals, the procedure setup, troubleshooting, the various wires, the gases in which it's used. It encompasses a whole lot of information. You have to know exactly what you're doing when you get out into the field. And that's what we're trying to do here, is prepare you so when you go out into the workforce, not only can you do it by hands-on, but you can talk about it. Students, when they come to this program, they have to come with a positive attitude. That's one of the major things about students. You can't come in here with a halfway attitude, thinking that you're going to just come in here and do the welding process. It takes a lot of studying. You have to read the material because there's a lot of theory and information, a lot of safety, metal properties, a lot of information that encompasses welding. We do testing randomly, so we want to test your knowledge, do positive reinforcement. But as for the student, you cannot miss any part of this program, or you're going to miss something. You are welcome to come. Expect to do hard work, but have fun. Come with a positive attitude, ready to learn, and when you leave out of here, you will be a certified welder.
My name is Ryan. I am a student here at TSCT in the welding program. I want to talk about what it takes to be successful here and what to expect. In this course, you learn how to weld a certain different kind of welding, like MIG, TIG, flux core, and stuff. And you learn how to do overhead, verticals, horizontals, weld in all different positions and on all different types of metals, and using different rod. You learn stick, and it's a lot of hands-on training. You know, you learned all the hand tools, all the power tools, and how to use all the welding booths. There's definitely a whole lot more shop time, and the hands-on experience is what really gets them to learn the trade. But when there is classroom time, you really got to buckle down and listen to the lectures and make sure that you pay attention and read the book and do everything that's assigned to you. When welding, you definitely needed to think about safety precautions. You're going to need to wear your boots and have your gloves on at all times, safety glasses. You get dirty, your hands are always dirty. All your clothes are going to get dirty. It's a very loud environment, so you need to expect, you're going to be working out in the elements and stuff like that. So you need to come prepared knowing that it's not just a classroom environment. The instructor just expects of you just to complete everything on a timely manner. If he gives you classwork, he gives you homework, he wants it done the next day. And when he's doing lectures, he wants you to pay attention, take notes, and just prepare for any test or quiz that he's ready to throw at you. As long as you pay attention to what he says and read all the chapters that he assigns, you should have no problem passing every test and quiz. You kind of just jump right into it, and you try your best, and he walks around, he'll help you out, he'll give you some tips. If you lost and you don't know what you're doing, he's usually there to do a little demonstration for you and help you on your way to a better welder. And you have your class rates and your peers to kind of look over you and help you in the same way that the teacher does. I think the main key for a lot of students here is to be successful is just to show up on time. As long as you show up on time, you'll be able to receive all the necessary classwork and hands-on training that you're going to need before you get out in the trade. I think you just got to be outgoing, not be shy. You need to have some thick skin. You need to be able to have some laughs here and there and play around with your peers a little bit. I think with how small the classes are, that you really get to open up with who you're working with, and you get to really get to know the people. They get you your hat, they get you a wire brush, a chipping hammer, and and wire cutters. But other than that, you don't really need anything. They supply like the grinders and all the power tools that you need. A lot of students jump into this trade not knowing anything about welding. Like myself, I came in not knowing anything and I just jumped into it. And I learned a lot, and I really got good at welding, and I feel really confident that I can jump right into the trade and get a job and feel confident by myself welding. So that's the welding program. So basically just need to show up on time, make sure you complete all classwork and homework, make sure you're ready for tests and quizzes, make sure you take all safety precautions, and I hope to see you out here at Thaddeus Stevens College of Technology.